Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today's video is going to be super awesome because I have a brand new amazing Android smartwatch to show you all. This is made by Lemfo and the model is called as Lem7. The Lemfo Lem7 is a 4G LTE Android smartwatch that's powered by a quad-core CPU and comes with a HD camera on it. I'm super excited to unbox and show it to you all, so let's get started with the video. The Lemfo Lem7 comes with this sort of box packing. You've got the Lemfo branding here, and you can see the smartwatch through the box. It comes in two colors. I've got the silver color variant. The box packing is nice. Let's see what else is written on it. Oh, looks like we've got the specs of this product at the bottom. Let me show them to you. It's powered by MTK6737 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.09 GHz, has 1GB RAM, 16GB internal storage. It's got a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with 400x400 resolution. The watch also has a 2-megapixel HD camera on it, has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a big 580 mAh battery. So those are all the specs of the smartwatch. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. By the way guys, Banggood is celebrating Black Friday sale today. They're offering massive discounts on a lot of products, so make sure to visit their website. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Also guys, I and Banggood have collaborated to arrange a special giveaway for all of you. We'll be giving away products worth 15,000 rupees to 5 lucky winners. I'll tell you about the giveaway details later in the video, so make sure to watch it till the end. So here's the Lemfo Lem7 smartwatch. Wow, the build quality on it looks really nice. We'll just come back to it in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a special portable power bank for the watch. It's got 750 mAh battery capacity, so you can use this to instantly charge your watch on the go. Along with that, you get a magnetic charging base for charging your watch. You just need to connect it to any DC 5V 1A source and it'll start charging the Lem7. A USB cable for charging base, and some paperwork which includes an operation guide and a user manual. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So those are all the items we got in the box. Now let me show you the smartwatch. So this is Lemfo's Lem7 4G Android smartwatch. It comes in two colors. I've got the silver color variant. And looks like there's already a screen guard pre-applied on the display. Let me peel the sticker. The watch looks beautiful. The Lem7 has a 1.39-inch AMOLED full round display with 400x400 resolution. It's got a beautiful chamfered edge all around it. The watch case is entirely made of titanium alloy, and I have to say the build quality is very nice. It's also IP55 rated water resistant. Let me show you the camera. On the right side, you've got a 2-megapixel HD camera on it that can shoot both photos and videos. Above that, there's a power button and a microphone at the bottom. There's nothing on the other sides. Talking about the bands, the straps look nice, made of silicone, but looks like they got a bit folded while shipping. Not a big problem, they'll regain their shape on constant usage. Also, the straps on it are non-replaceable. Let's check out the back side. On the back, you've got a heart rate sensor, a nano SIM card slot below that, charging contacts, and a tiny speaker on the left. It says FDD-LTE here, that means it supports 4G LTE. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. So what I'll do is, I'll just set up the watch, install all the necessary apps, use it for some time and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. The watch has booted up and I've also gone through the setup process. The Lemfo Lem7 has a raise to wake display, so whenever you raise your hand like this, the watch will wake the display to check the time. It was working well in almost all the attempts, and this is how the display on it looks like. It's got a beautiful 1.39-inch AMOLED display, and I have to say it looks stunning. The Lemfo Lem7 comes with very nice watch faces like the stock one. I'll show you all of those and how to apply them later in the video. Swiping down on the home screen brings the status panel, which shows you the battery level, date and time, SIM card and the Bluetooth status. By swiping left, you can access all the quick settings, which include DND mode, brightness, raise to wake display, airplane mode, mobile data, GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I've already connected it to my home Wi-Fi network. Swiping left again brings the RAM cleaner. This is music player shortcut, and finally you have the weather panel. So those are all the features you could access from the status panel. Now swiping right on the home screen, you'll get the notifications panel, which shows you all the notifications that you've received so far. And by swiping up, you'll get the activity panel, which shows you all the fitness related info for a week. It shows you in detail info like the number of steps taken, distance traveled in kilometers, and how many calories you've burned. So that was about the activity tab. To access all the different apps on it, you just need to swipe left on the home screen. But before I show you all of its apps, let me show you the different available watch faces on it. You can change the watch faces just by touching the watch face for about 1 to 2 seconds. So these are all the different available watch faces. It's got a huge list of pre-installed ones. I like most of these watch faces. And you're not just limited to these, you can also download more of them from the watch store. Now let me show you all the apps on it. You've got Contacts app where it shows you all the contacts from your Google account. Below that you have the Phone app. This watch literally has a dialer on it. You can insert a SIM card, dial a number here and directly talk from the watch itself. Pretty awesome, right? There's also Messaging app. This is the settings. Let me show you all the available settings. In the sound section, you can adjust all the volumes and set ringtones for calls and notifications. In the display section, you can adjust the brightness level and the screen timeout settings. Going down the list, we have app list style, connection settings which include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot, airplane mode and even GPS. Yes, the watch has built-in GPS. In the gesture settings, you can toggle the raise to wake and pedometer functions. And rest all of these are the same old general settings you see on most of the Android devices. In the more section, you can manage your accounts, Google Play services, storage. Let me show you the storage. This watch comes with 16 gigs of internal storage and out of that 11.91 GB is usable. Since I've already installed some apps on it, we are left with 11.5 GB of free space, which is plenty for a watch. Coming to the About section, the model is Lem7, it runs on Android 7.0 Nougat. Here's the Easter egg, and the security patch it's running is July 2017. So that was about the Settings app. Going down the app list, we've got a browser app, a downloads, calendar, clock, camera app. I've already told you, right? It's got a HD camera on it and using the app you can shoot both photos and videos. There's also gallery, a music player, sound recorder, file manager. It also has heart rate monitor. We'll test it later. This is the fitness app using which you can keep a track on variety of sports and activities like running, walking, treadmill, biking, sports like basketball, football, ping pong, badminton and skipping. It's a good all-in-one fitness app. Along with that, you got weather, voice search. You can use voice search on it. The watch has a microphone, so it'll bring up anything you ask for it from Google. It also has Google Play Store on it. Yes, it's got a fully functional Play Store just like any other Android watch. Using Play Store, you can search and download any sort of app or game on it. I've downloaded a lot of apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube. Most of them were compatible and I faced no issues so far. Along with that, you've also got Google Maps, Phone Assistant, YouTube. I've installed YouTube from Play Store. It's got a similar interface to that on Android phones. So this is how the app looks like. Let's play a video and see how it looks on this watch. So this is how YouTube videos look in full screen mode. Coming to the benchmarks, I've installed Geekbench 4 on it. For some reason, Antutu was not compatible with the watch. On Geekbench 4, I got a single core score of about 445 and a multi-core score of around 1276. Now let's talk about the display quality on the watch. The Lem7 has a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with 400 by 400 resolution. The display looks absolutely stunning. The screen is sharp and crisp, the colors look punchy, the white balance is also perfect, and the dynamic range is also good. The only thing I felt is the bezels on it were a bit thick. The watch also supports zoom function in pictures. Talking about the brightness, it's quite bright and easily visible in outdoors, and the viewing angles were also excellent. Now let's check out the speaker quality. Let me play some music and see how the audio sounds like. The Lem7 has a single speaker, that too at the backside, and the quality was nice, but it's not the best I've seen in this price point. The audio was clear without any distortion, but the output could have been higher. Let's test the heart rate monitor. You can do that easily from the HR Monitor app. You just need to open the app and it'll automatically start measuring your heart rate. The HR monitor was working well, it was giving accurate results almost 85% of the time. Talking about gaming, you can play some basic games on it like Temple Run. That's it, just like the other watches, you can't play graphic intensive games on it. It was handling these games very well, just check out this clip. Now let me show you the camera app. The Lem 7 has a 2 megapixel HD camera, and this is how the interface looks on it. You can shoot both photos and videos. Let me show you some samples and tell you about the quality. The photo quality was average, it was shooting in 2 megapixel resolution. You can use this watch as a good spy camera, but the video quality was really bad on it. It was shooting in 640 by 480 and the quality was poor. Just check out this clip. Coming to the battery life, it has a 580 mAh battery and the battery life was average. On a heavy usage which includes watching videos, using some social media apps and slight gaming, I was getting around 1 to 1.5 hours of screen on time. And with this kind of usage, I could get only around half a day's battery life. But if you use it only as a simple watch and nothing else, then you'll get around 1 day's battery life. But one good thing about the watch is the company gives you a free power bank with the watch, so you can instantly charge it anywhere on the go. So that was my review on the Lemfo's Lem 7 4G Android smartwatch. It's a good smartwatch, the build quality is nice, the AMOLED display looks stunning, has Play Store so you can download and install lots of apps and games on it. But here are a few things that I was not that satisfied with. The camera quality could have been better, battery life could be improved, and it doesn't support VoLTE. Rest everything else was great. It costs around 9,500 rupees and is available on Banggood. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, you can check it out there. And coming to the giveaway, Banggood is celebrating their Black Friday sale today and are offering heavy discounts on a lot of products. Also guys, I and Banggood have collaborated to arrange a special giveaway for all of you. We'll be giving away products worth 15,000 rupees to 5 lucky winners. These products will be a surprise gift guys. Each winner will get a product which is worth around 3,000 rupees. To participate in this contest, you need to do some simple things. First is you need to open and check out Banggood's Black Friday sale link. And the second is you need to like this video and comment "I want it" down below. That's it, you'll automatically enter this giveaway. This contest will run for about 2 weeks from today and the winners will be chosen from the comment section down below. So cross your fingers and hope that you win this giveaway. That's it for today guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.